want a garden so I can grow, and you can only go so far on your own.
Hello, my name is Thomas Remiarz, and I'm here to tell you about this book, Forest Gardening in Practice, which I've wrote. The reason I set out to do it was that I had already planted forest gardens and designed them and worked with them. Um, but what I couldn't find in the literature was a description of like how forest gardens work with and for people. So you had a lot of books that tell you how forest gardens are supposed to work, but what I wanted to hear is what actually happens when people plant a forest garden and what works for them, and sometimes what doesn't work, what the challenges are, and how people deal with those challenges. And so that's the book that I offered to Permanent Publications, and so that's the book we put together. And so in here, what you'll find is a lot of case studies from different parts of the world, forest gardens of different scales, from the home to the community to the commercial scale. And there's also an ecology primer, so looking at how nature works, how we can work with nature. And finally, a big section on how you can do it yourself. So if you're interested in this book, you can order it through Permanent Publications.